Thank you for visiting the True Fitness Service and Documentation channel. In this video, we will show you the proper cable management to prevent damage to the cables when installing or working on either the True Fitness Vapor XT1 or the Apex Cross Trainer. In this video, all work is done on the Apex Cross Trainer. There are two main areas to concentrate on for this video. First, we will show you the proper way to route the communication cables that are routed through the neck or the mast. As you can see, if not properly routed, the cables could easily get caught in the mechanical part of the unit. You need to make sure the cables are fully pushed up inside the mast as shown. Same goes for the power cable when installing or replacing the battery on this machine. Here we show you how to install, connect, and secure the battery. After setting the battery component in place and securing with the 4 provided screws, you can then snap together the connections from the battery and the base as shown. Note, if not secured correctly, the excess cable could also get caught in the mechanical part of the unit. Use the provided zip tie to secure the cable to the battery to prevent it from interfering with the machine when in use. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your rep or True's customer service team.